Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply the trending electric radiations effects to your video on Capcut. So first, just import your clips and then go to effects and click on the body effects, and then the electric radiations can be found under the trending tab. If you scroll down, you'll find the electric radiation here, but if you can't find it on the trending, you can always swipe and go to the glowing lines tab, and in here just scroll down and you'll find the electric radiations effect in here. Okay, this one, click on that, and this will be the effect, but you can always adjust the size, the color, and also the vertical. Okay, you can just click on a check icon, and if you want, you can apply it to entire clip. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.